Lawmakers are pressing hard in on Facebook, Twitter, Google, big tech to turn over any reports that they have, as of today, of anything how their platform affects children's mental health. Yes, this just happened today. They're looking at all these three here. Now, Mark Zuckerberg says that he's not sure about what involvement. Sounds kind of wishy-washy, and we'll talk about that here in a second. Twitter's Jack Dorsey says that he's not aware of any studies that they have done in this regard, and Google CEO says that they have been working extensively with outside organizations. Now, as the head of a company, you would assume that Mark would understand what exactly goes on with hot-button issues like this. However, I can also understand that when you're at the top of the chain like this, you're not going to fully pick up and keep up with everything in the middle ground. Now, with Twitter's Jack Dorsey saying that, just pretty much saying that they haven't done anything. So I don't know if they're not necessarily going to make them do it, but he just said, hey, I'm not aware of anything, we're not doing it. So that's fine. That kind of cuts that one out there. Google saying that, hey, we are extensively searching with outside organizations does say a lot about them. It does show that they have been looking into this, whether that's good or bad, probably just all for the data. Now, they want the answers soon. April 16th is when they're wanting everything turned over by. And that is also very soon. Now, also you have to know that YouTube has the YouTube Kids, which is aimed at children under 13, and Facebook's Instagram is going to have its own Future Kids platform as well. This is an extremely hot button issue today because, hey, as you know, kids, they have cell phones, they have access to the internet. I did when I was that age too, but things have changed a lot since the 90s. Kids have pretty much unrestricted internet access, text messages, and parents will be concerned about that because they want to keep their kids safe. There are different ways and safeguards, protections that you can do to keep people safe, but there are still ways around these things that they're going to find. So we know that social media does have a huge lasting effect on people, especially young, impressionable minds like this. And the parents and everyone are concerned. So all this started back, if you look in January, with the Capitol event happened. I think you know what I'm talking about. And now people are going to say, well, what if we don't get the answers? They're going to be really upset. They're going to be aggravated a little bit, not hearing what they want to hear. But if they do get the answers and not hear what they want to hear, it's also going to be bad if things aren't taken as the people are looking to see it done and see this through, get the answers about how this affects the kids' mental health. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Is it a negative effect on their health or is it a positive thing? Or both? My name's Austin. Subscribe to the channel. We have more coming to you. See you later.